In today's quick tutorial, you'll learn how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. You are not seeing any developer option here. So the main thing is, we have to enable developer option. How we can do that? It is very simple. Follow the instructions. Click on the File tab. Select Options. Click on Customize ribbon. Select Main tabs if already haven't selected. Under Main tabs, locate the Developer tab. Check the box next to Developer to enable it. Click OK to save changes. Now we have to insert checkboxes. With the Developer tab enabled, click on it. In the Controls section, click on Checkbox to insert one. A checkbox will appear in your document. You can copy and paste it wherever needed. After selecting checkboxes, next point is to customize it. To add a cross inside the checkbox, simply click on it. A cross will be inserted automatically. For a checkbox with a tick mark, click on the checkbox, then go to Properties. Under Checked Symbol, click on Change. Select Wingdings and scroll down to find the checkbox symbol. Click OK twice to apply the changes. Now, click on the checkbox to insert it with the tick mark. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert checkboxes in Microsoft Word and customize their appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.